Have you ever wondered if counting points is the key to losing weight? Well, brace yourselves with this eye-opening fact. Despite our best efforts, studies reveal that nearly 45 million Americans embark on a diet each year, yet only a mere 5% manage to keep the weight off long-term. But what if I told you there's a method that's been shaking up the weight loss game for decades? Enter the Watchers Points System, an innovative approach that's been helping millions shed pounds and keep them off. Let's dive in and decode this points-based strategy to uncover its secrets to success. In the ever-evolving landscape of dieting, one name has stood the test of time: Weight Watchers. With its innovative point system, Weight Watchers has revolutionized the way we approach weight loss, offering a flexible and sustainable approach that focuses on more than just calorie counting. But what exactly is the point system, and how does it work? At its core, the Weight Watchers point system assigns a point value to foods based on their nutritional content, with the goal of guiding users towards healthier eating habits and portion control. Unlike traditional diets that prescribe strict meal plans and food restrictions, Weight Watchers gives users the freedom to eat what they love while staying within their daily points allowance. So, how are points calculated? It's all based on a combination of factors, including the calories, protein, sugar, and saturated fat content of each food. Healthier, nutrient-dense foods are assigned fewer points, while less nutritious options come with a higher point value. This encourages users to make smarter choices and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods while still enjoying the occasional treat in moderation. But here's where the magic happens. Unlike calorie counting, which can feel like a daunting chore, the point system simplifies the process by condensing nutritional information into a single, easy-to-understand number. This allows users to make quick and informed decisions about their food choices without the need for complex calculations or obsessive tracking. Another key aspect of the Weight Watchers point system is its focus on behavior change and accountability. Through regular meetings, online support groups, and personalized coaching, Weight Watchers helps users develop healthy habits and stay motivated on their weight loss journey. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat too. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of the point system is its flexibility. Unlike rigid diet plans that leave little room for indulgence, Weight Watchers encourages users to enjoy their favorite foods in moderation, teaching them how to make smarter choices and navigate real-life situations without feeling deprived. And the results speak for themselves. Numerous studies have shown that Weight Watchers is effective for weight loss and can lead to long-term success when followed consistently. By empowering users to take control of their health and make sustainable lifestyle changes, the point system offers more than just a quick fix. It offers a path to lasting transformation. So is counting points the key to losing weight? While there's no one-size-fits-all solution, the Weight Watchers point system has proven time and time again to be a powerful tool for those looking to shed pounds and live healthier lives. With its focus on flexibility, accountability, and behavior change, it's no wonder Weight Watchers remains a leader in the world of weight loss. So the next time you're pondering your dieting options, consider giving the point system a try. You might just be surprised by the results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.